Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money using AI ads. Okay, I'll be showing you a very powerful AI tool that will allow you to potentially make money by using the features that it offers, and it is optimized in making ads. Now, you don't need any experience, you don't need any particular skill whatsoever in here. You can learn as you go. As long as you utilize this and learn how to use this AI tool, you're in a good place. Okay, so before we begin, I would appreciate it. Now, what the AI does is it allows you to create ad creatives, ad designs without any graphic experience, any graphic design experience, any imaging experience, any Photoshop tools. No, you don't need that. The AI will do its thing. Now, how much can you potentially make? Let's convert this into dollar. Let's say you go to Fiverr and then you type in here ad creative. Here you will see the services offered by freelancers. What they are offering is they are offering like a design Facebook ad creative, okay, creative social media posts, banners, and so on. Creative image for your ad campaign, banner ads, Facebook ads, and look at the demand. More than 1,000 plus order, 400 plus, 600, 700. The demand is high. I will design creative Google ads and Facebook ads 1,000 plus, and he or she is charging more than $10 for that. You can do all of this even without experience, just using the AI tool that I'm going to show you. Let's go to Upwork. You search for ad creative, and here are the projects that you'll see. Look at this one: high quality creative and original product description. So you can that's not really for ad creative, but you can use this AI tool to create that as well, so that's all right. So unique and creative social media post, banner ads, cover from $20. $20 the minimum that he's charging for the basics, and more than 200 plus orders and so on. So pretty much the demand is high and the price is really reasonable and really good. Even without any experience, you can offer those services that I've shown you. Now, what is this AI tool that I'm going to show you about? This AI tool is called AdCreative. Okay, so here you will see artificial intelligence powered ad and social creatives. So it allows you to generate conversion focused ad creatives and social media post creatives in a matter of seconds using artificial intelligence. So get better results while saving time. Let's say you're not a marketer. Let's say you have no idea literally what this is all about. If you go to platforms like Facebook, Google, any kind of social media, and you see an ad, most of the time this ads has a photo, an image, or like any kind of visual that comes with it. Now these are called ad creatives, and this is designed purposefully to convert something. It is done with a purpose in mind, whether it be convert someone into sales, promote brand awareness, increase the reach, and so on. It has a purpose on it. Now, this AdCreative.ai allows you to do that, whatever the purpose it is for. If it's, for example, to increase the revenue, increase the conversion, increase the sales, optimize the ad spend, and so on. So this AI is really powerful that it allows you to do most of this, the nuances. Okay, you will be able to cut short because this AI does all of it. Okay, now what can you do to make money using this AdCreative.ai? Simply put, you just have to learn how to use AdCreative.ai. Once you learn how to use it, you can go ahead and offer the service. Even yet better, you can go ahead and reach out to your local businesses, offer them, give them an example of their ad creatives, of the ad creatives that you can do for their brand. Let's say you ask like, make 10 100 cold calls within all the businesses in your given locality, ask for their, let's say, their brand photo, okay, and then generate an ad creative for their brand photo, offer it to them, and then tell them that, hey, this is what I do. I can offer you this particular campaign, increase your sales, increase your potential, increase your sales and brand awareness using social media or Google ads. Let's say I'll be doing everything, and then charge them for a service for that. Okay, so you just have to find a way on how you can negotiate, strategize yourself on how to make money. There's tons of ways. Now, the best thing is that you don't really have to focus on learning the technicalities. All you need to do is to learn efficiently how to use this AI tool. So this AI tool, again, it automatically generates ad creatives for various digital advertising channels. You can use it for Facebook ads, Instagram, Google ads, and so on. So It uses machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, etc. And also, AdCreative AI, it analyzes the brand's assets, okay? So if you can upload, let's say you have an existing business, you can upload your images, the ads, the previous ads that you've used for your for your business, and then this AI tool will analyze those image and videos and then generate ad creatives, improve those ad creatives, and optimize its performance. That's how great this AI is. You can enjoy automated creative generation that you can, save a lot of time, tons and tons of times. You can even create your own ad creatives in various format. You can use this for static images, videos, let's say carousel ads. You can do that. Okay, it offers a lot of templates you can use to fit your campaigns, your goals, your brand, and so on. And you can even access the insights of the, it has like this foreseeable performance insight that can help you optimize and tweak your campaigns. Okay, so you can, the first and foremost that way for you to make money here straight is from the get-go you offer the feature that it offers. So you can offer ad creative or generating ad creative services to different social media platforms. If you have a following, if you have a website, you can offer that service and then make money, charge a fee whenever someone asks for your service for that service to be done. Okay, so you can create ad creatives and then offer them some service, just promote the benefits that it can do. You can say you can increase the conversion. Okay, you can improve the CPA and CPC. So that is like the cost per acquisition and cost per click. So most of the time marketers are actually have this set budget whenever they're spending on ads. So if you have a very engaging, very high conversion ad creative, okay, that can result theoretically that can result to a lower CPA and CPC. So that can save, not only that will save the business money, you can potentially make more money as well, because if instead of that being spent to the ads, you can actually spend it to different campaigns and more. Okay, you can also use this to generate other ideas. It allows you to do that. Okay, uh AdCreative.ai, it has an built-in AI that allows you to generate the words or the copies intended for that specific ads. Okay, you just have to tweak it depending on your preference. Okay, so you can use this basically to create eye-catching ad creatives, improve brand awareness, better conversions, 14 times better conversion rates than ad creatives designed with no data-driven approach. I think one of the best deals here is that this AI is trained to use a data, okay, backed up by data, to generate an ad creative backed up by data to potentially increase the conversion, okay, for the future. Okay, and super scalable, one creative or 10,000 creatives per month, so you can use that. And then seamless design, platform integration, text generator, so this is what I've been talking about. So you can use this inside AdCreative.ai, you can use their built-in text generator to generate the copy for your ads. Okay, white label ready as well. The insights, you can see that, so you can nip and tweak depending on the result of the initial campaign that you have used. Okay, so who can use it? For startups, e-commerce agencies, you can use it. As an individual, you can definitely offer your service. Now here's the pricing. Okay, for startup, apply first year 25 after the sign up. Okay, so here's the 25, and you'll get 25% off. So for starters, $29 per month. Number of credits is 10. So I don't know what exactly one credit entails, but yeah, $29 per month. And then here's their best seller, $59 per month. So 25, I think. Yeah, it's the same, 25 credits per month. Okay, for $59 per month, and you have unlimited generations, Facebook and Google integrations, unlimited free stock images, text generator, creative insights, and number of users too. So if you have a team, I think the best will be to scale up. Now for professionals, it comes with a different one. So number of credits, the starting is 189. You'll have 100 credits per month. Okay, and number of brands 5. So I think this is more of of a businessman or freelance professional offering or catering to a number of different clients. So for example, you're using this 189 per month, you can cater to 5 brands or 5 different clients, or maybe one client with 5 different businesses. Okay, you can produce them unlimited generations of ad creatives. Okay, and here's the number of users. And so what is the credit? So each creative banner you download to your computer to use on your campaigns equals 1 credit. That's all right. So meaning based on the package you select, you will have 10, 100, or unlimited number of credits that renews every month. So that is per download, okay? So you can generate unlimited ad creatives, but your credit will only be reduced or will only be deducted whenever you download it to your computer. So that's based on what I understand. I can be wrong, but you just need to double check and then contact their customer support to clarify this one. But yeah, it shows here each creative banner you download to your computer to use on your campaign equals to 1 credit. But it also at the same time offers unlimited generation. So I think you can generate unlimited, but it will the credits will only be consumed whenever you download it, okay, to use for your campaign. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.